Okay guys, today I'm gonna be doing a tech review. The tech that I'm gonna be reviewing for today's video is gonna be the Red Dragon Gaming Keyboard. Yep, it's a Red Dragon Gaming Keyboard. Here it is. So yes, it comes with colors, and it does come with this, but it broke off. You can see after just like 1 month or 2 months of using. So yeah, the quality is not that good and it's plastic. And I'm gonna show you guys the typing quality with this keyboard. So yeah guys, this is the keyboard connected to my computer. So you guys can see this. It's not focusing. Wait a minute. So yeah, this is the computer. The caps does go out. It feels really plastic. The quality is not that good. So, yeah. Here is me typing. Blah blah blah. Here's the noise. Deleting. Yeah, but when you're typing, there's a good feeling when you're typing, but the sound so noisy. Yeah, that's it for the typing. You guys, next thing I'm going to be talking about is about the comfortableness. For first, the spacebar is wobbly, and this shift bar is not going through, unlike this one. But on the bright side, we have custom keycaps that we can program, and there's a light showing if it's on, recording or something here. So yeah, the price gonna be here on the screen. Is your price range of a budget gaming keyboards like that. I suggest you guys buying this, but if you're a professional and need to buy a good gaming keyboard, I do not recommend you guys to buy this. Lastly, with all of these crises going on in the world, I suggest you guys stay home and do not get out of your house. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.